Unpacking the phrase, cashing in, an English learning journey. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English idiomatic expressions, where phrases often mean more than what the words suggest at face value. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, cashing in. Stay with us to discover how this phrase is used in different contexts and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, cashing in, can be understood in a few ways, depending on the context it's used in. At its most literal level, it means to exchange something for its cash value. For instance, when you return bottles for a deposit, you're cashing in the bottles for money. But there's more. Metaphorically, cashing in can mean to take advantage of or benefit from an opportunity. It's like when life gives you lemons, and you make lemonade, you're cashing in on life's lemons. Ever wondered where phrases come from? Cashing in has its roots in the world of gambling and finance. In gambling, when players finish their game, they cash in their chips for money. In finance, one might cash in stocks or bonds for the financial gain they represent. Understanding the origin can help you grasp why it's used the way it is, to indicate getting something of value from an exchange or an opportunity. Let's see cashing in action. Here are some sentences. After years of hard work, the inventor is finally cashing in on his brilliant ideas. The company is cashing in on the latest technology trends to boost its sales. Many retirees cash in their pensions to enjoy their golden years. Notice the pattern? It's all about getting value from something you have, whether that's effort, investment, or opportunities. A common mistake learners make is using cashing in inappropriately. Remember, it's not just about receiving money. It's about receiving value from an opportunity or investment. So, saying, he's cashing in his homework, doesn't quite fit. Unless, of course, he's somehow gaining a benefit besides just a good grade. We hope this video has clarified the phrase, cashing in, for you. Now you can confidently use it to describe taking advantage of opportunities or reaping the rewards of your investments, whether they're financial, personal, or even just the effort you put into your work. Thank you for watching, and we hope you keep cashing in on your journey to become fluent in English.